How to create a quick Gantt chart in Excel. In the data table, we have a column for the project, start date, due date, and duration. Start by highlighting the project and start date columns, then go to Insert and select the stacked bar chart. Now we'll want to reverse the project order. Right-click and select Format Axis. Then click Categories in reverse order. Next, right-click within the chart and go to Select Data. Click Add and select the duration header as the series name. Then add the data range into the series values field. Click OK. Next, right-click on the first section within the bar chart and go to Format Data Series. Under the paint bucket icon, select No Fill. Now you have a quick Gantt chart showing the duration of each project.